Welcome back after a long time. How are you doing? In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you some useful illustration in SVG. These illustration you can use in your presentation, in your infographic, and you can also change its color according to your requirements, according your desired color. You can change all the elements color of these illustration. Have a look this one and go to shape fill and give your desired color. You can also pick the color with an eyedropper. So let me show you. Yes, and go to shape fill and give it some different color. This is a meeting illustration. You can use this illustration for your meeting. This one is you can use for social media control and social media. Through social media you can use this illustration for social media, and you can also change the elements of this illustration. Have a look this one, and I am just click the element and change the color. Have a look this one, and I am going to pick an eyedropper color with an eyedropper. So this one is for social media controller. Let me change the color of the coffee. You can also let me give it some darker color. Yes, this one also, and have a look. And let me change the color where the man standing, and give it some different color. So the transparency of this shape is very high. So let me reduce its transparency that it gives us a look. This is the link through you can get these illustration. So come back to the video. Here is the last one illustration. This one you can use this illustration for a manager. Also you can use this illustration for someone give approval, and I'm going to change the elements of this illustration, change the color of this illustration. So have a look, and you can give your desired color to all these illustration. This one, look, I'm going to change the color of the briefcase. And let me, you can use this illustration for someone give approval, and you can download these illustration from the given link.